What's up, y'all? It's Summer, not your girl, but it's me, and I'm back with another video. And welcome back to my 30 days of content. This should be day 2, if I'm not mistaken. This should be day 2. But today video, we're gonna be trying like the new menu items, all the viral new menu items. And yeah, that's what we finna do. So first, I got everything right here. We got Bojangles, we got Chick-fil-A, we got Taco Bell, we got KFC, and we got Little Caesars. Okay, so first I'm gonna take it all out. Okay, first off, we're going with KFC because it's probably the coldest since I got it first. This is a bird dog from No, this is Bojangles. I lied. And it's the coldest. So we're gonna start off with Bojangles. This is a bird dog from Bojangles. Let's see. I don't know what's on here. Yeah, pickles. That's all I see. Okay. I didn't even put none on my hands. It just got pickles on it. Okay. And that was spicy. Also, this is a Chick-fil-A lemonade. Immediately no. I say that because they got all that pulp in there. Oh, pulp. This bird dog is good. It's a chicken on a hot dog bun. Bird dog, 10 out of 10. Lemonade, I don't know. We'll wait. I've already had these Little Caesars Crazy Puffs, so I know they're good. I meant to get the sauce this time, but I forgot. They said it's even better with the sauce. And I don't eat pork, no red meat, so I just got the cheese puffs. Yep. 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 Solid. Mm. Yeah. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 immediately. I'm really hitting it. I'm really not really hitting this on because it looked cold. No, it's not. Let's go back to Bojangles. This is a bowberry cookie. It's a cookie with blueberries. This is a good cookie. It's not too sweet. I love sugar cookies and snickerdoodle. Those are my top. And it's like the sugarness in it, so the sugar cookie element is really good. It's seldom. The blueberry, I don't even like blueberries like that, but it's not like overpowering. It's not doing too much. It's not, you know what I'm saying? 10 out of 10. I'll say 9.5, 9 out of 10. 9.3 out of 10. Because if it was warm, they would give it a 10 probably. It's not like it's too many blueberries or so. No. It's gone. Okay. It might be a 10 out of 10 the way I'm eating it. Next, y'all, from KFC. This is some chicken wrap thingy. New chicken wrap they got. I tried to get the chizza, but they said they don't sell it anymore. I guess I'm too late. But it's a big old chicken wrap. Whatever it is. Alright. Let's try it. Oh no, this is where I got the spicy. The burger dog was not spicy. Okay, spice is there. Immediately. It's not like it's even spicy, it's peppery. I should say classic. If y'all get it, get the classic. On me, I'm good, bro. I'm straight off that. A little bit of drink. The KFC jam, I give it like a 4 or 5 out of 10. It ain't. I'm finna cry. Like, what? This decent. It's like, girl, we don't want no more reviews from you. I got this Cantiniana, bojangles from Taco Bell. Immediately, presentation looks good, and it comes with guacamole. I believe this is guacamole. That guac ain't no good guac, and it should be sour cream. Let's taste it. That's sour cream. But in order to get the full effect, I'm going to try it with the guac. That's disgusting. Get some guac and some sour cream. Guac and sour cream. Let's try it. It comes with this sauce as well. So we're gonna try this. What is this stuff though? I bet it's hot because it's green. Okay, I'm out. So we got that sauce. Put some sour cream in there. Just dump it in there like that. So on this side. Now we're gonna try it. It tastes like anything from Taco Bell. Honestly, everything from Taco Bell tastes the same. I think it's just chicken cheese. Maybe they got some kind of sauce on here. I mean, it just tastes like Taco Bell. That is crazy when you think about it. Everything from Taco Bell literally tastes the same. I mean, it's not like it's nasty, but I wouldn't just go order it. You feel me? So for that, I give it like a 6. But it's not nasty. It's not nasty at all. It's just cheese and a quesadilla. But y'all know Taco Bell, they got that really distinct taste. Like, you gonna know Taco Bell if you eat Taco Bell. That's facts. Overall, my favorite actual food item, the bird dog. Then I put the cookie in second. I don't know. The cookie kind of won first place, though. Excuse me. My least favorite was freaking KFC. That was a no. Their bird dog busting. And a pickle. They ain't that big on this bird dog. Some bird dog, something serious. It's the bread, bro. On the bird dog, it's the bread. Oh yeah, that's good. The sauce. So good. Why is it so good? So full, but I want to eat because I didn't eat nothing but fries and cookies last night because I wasn't feeling nothing, and I'm still not. But I just bought all this food and somebody gotta eat it. Y'all see me now where I'm at shooting this video? Just watch. One day I'm gonna be in my Audi outside my luxury apartment, real luxury, all me, shooting videos. Like, that's gonna be me one day. It's coming soon, for real. I got my feet kicked up in the nut. If I want these up, these will be hit for sure. Cause last time I had them, it was hot. When I first ate it, was hot too. All my stuff was fresh. Oh, it's a little red bird. Oh, where are you going? I love nature. If I was to recommend anything to y'all, I would say literally run, don't walk. Go get that bird dog, because between that sauce, between that what's that drink called? That bread. Oh my gosh, bird dog is what you want to eat, for real, for real. Cause I know about bread. If y'all gonna listen to anybody about bread, listen to me, cause the bread was busting. I mean, she got an aftermath. That's what my seat look like. I got it all in the seats, in the flow, you name it. Okay. I think is my camera zoomed in? Now it is. Do I look cute? It don't even matter, because this video get uploaded cute, ugly, ugly, cute. It don't matter. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. That's the end of it. This was cool. I'm very full actually. But if y'all like this video, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow my Instagram at summeryvine_. Follow my TikTok at summeryvine_. And keep up with me, what I'm doing, like what I be doing out here. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment more video ideas, and stay tuned for tomorrow's 30 days of content.